Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for GM's 1973 to 1980 CK trucks.
Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Begin by removing the bolts retaining your center frame crossmember's lower brackets using a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench. If you are uninstalling the lower bracket from the factory crossmember, you will need to cut out the rivets on the top of the crossmember retaining the lower brackets. Punch out the rivets using a punch. Step 3. Take your replacement lower brackets and hold them in place where the factory brackets were originally located. Use the holes on your bracket to help with the alignment. Note that these brackets are side specific. Once you have your brackets in place, take the included hardware and screw them into place. There will be 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom of your bracket. You can use a punch to help with the alignment when installing your bolts. After your bolts are screwed into place, use a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench to tighten your hardware. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your vehicle's body, and you're done!